Welcome, and thanks for joining in for this cute little cow doodle. You can either start by sketching out the rough shape and adjusting proportions as you like, or if you're bold, you can just start with a marker. For the eyes, I just made round circles and filled them in a little, and then I cut them in half and made a little spot for a dew spot, just for some cuteness in the eyes and a little life. This cow's nose or snout is a wide oval, and his head is shaped like a bell. I'm trying to get smooth lines, so you can see I was having a hard time getting that line, so I just turned my card. You can, of course, anytime turn your art so that it's easier to draw. I do a little bit less of that on video just because I think it makes it easier to watch. I made cute stubby little horns on mine, and I was thinking if I'd made this for my friend from Texas, I might just make it a longhorn. I wanted to emphasize the horns, so I made the ears a little bit lower and smaller. Because I sketched it out ahead of time, I felt like it was easy just to trace my line for the body and make sure that I have the legs the way I want them. This cow looks so cute with its stubby little legs. His tail has sort of a raindrop shape at the top to show the tuft of hair. Now because this is a Holstein, I'm putting little spots here and there. You could put as few or as many as you want. I decided to make one of mine almost the shape of a heart. If I do decide to make a longhorn, I think I might give it some bangs. Anyway, here's the hooves, and I just basically darkened the bottom line of the legs. And if you've noticed, my cow has 3 legs instead of 4. And I'm just adding one more that's a little shorter at the back so that it shows that it's behind. Now we can't forget the nostrils. Cows do have rather large nostrils, and I just made 2 tall ovals and then one little hook coming away from the center on each side. Erasing my pencil marks, I decided to color in with a bluish gray, which is just another Sharpie, like I used a Sharpie for the outline. Of course, you could use any colors you want. I also decided to use sort of a pink for the snout, and then to keep it really simple, I decided that I would use the same pink for the horns as well and for one little detail inside of the ears. Now for the tail, I decided to go a little stripy with both the pink and the blue, starting with the pink and then drawing the bluish gray around it. Coloring in the tail was the last step, and so now my cow is complete. If you make longer horns and skip the spots, you have a longhorn. Well, I hope you had as much fun watching or maybe drawing along with me as I had. And until next time, I hope you're well. Please like and subscribe if you're interested in having more content like this or in sharing little doodles for bullet journals and cards and just for fun. See you next time.